Hello students, today we are going to start with Unit 4 Physical Education and Sports for Children with Special Needs. Every human being has a physical structure which works in a particular manner. There are various aspects of these physical structure such as differently abled child or special child. These children can experience personality disorders and disharmony more often than a normal child, as they are unable to establish healthy communication with people because of their physical, cognitive, intellectual disability. In this chapter, we are going to learn about various disorders and disabilities and about CWSN and how to help them. Today, we are going to cover first two topics: concept of disability and disorder, type of disability, its causes and nature. Disability, any disadvantage due to which an individual is not able to perform the activities of normal human life. Disorder is any disruption due to which an individual is not able to perform his daily human activities. Here are some questions to test your understanding. Students usually get confused between disability and disorder. Here are some points of differentiation between them. Like, disability is a physical, mental, cognitive condition that impairs, interferes with, or limits a person's ability to engage in certain action or participate in daily activities and interaction. Whereas disorder is an illness or dysfunctional factor that affect or disrupt the physically or mentally. There is no chance to become normal in disability. There are high chances to become normal in this order. Disability is concerned with various parts of a body, whereas disorder is concerned with mental ability. Disability is of three types: physical, cognitive, and intellectual. Disorder is of five types: ADHD, SPD, ASD, OCD, and ODD. Here are some questions to test your understanding. Disabilities are divided into three types: physical disability, a person not able to perform normal human activities due to any physical damage. Cognitive disability, in this type, a person is not able to perform normal human life, mental activities due to any mental disadvantage. Intellectual disability, in this, a person is not able to perform normal human life, mental activities and adaptive behavior skills due to any mental disadvantage. Causes of disability may be accident, inherited, wrong medication and vaccination, wars, disease, poison, nuclear accident, lack of education and use of drugs. Cognitive disability in children ranges from profound intellectual impairment with minimum functioning to mild impairment in specific operation. Cognitive disability is an inclusive term used to describe impairment in an individual's mental process that leads to acquisition of information and knowledge and drive how an individual understands and acts in the world. The nature of intellectual disability is the onset of both intellectual and adaptive functioning defects, the developmental period which refers to the span of time prior to 18 years. Children with this disorder may evidence delayed developmental milestones, while milder level may not become identified until school age. Intellectual disability is a non-progressive and generally lifelong. However, concurrence with specific genetic disorder may manifest with periods of cognitive deterioration. A physical disability is any condition that permanently prevents normal body movement and control. In early years, the children may have some difficulties in learning to move skillfully. This is not unusual. However, for some children, the muscle and nerves that control body movements may not be properly formed or may become damaged, causing a physical disability. There are many different types of disability. Here are some questions to test your understanding. We have already discussed about type of disabilities previously, so this is a 3-mark question about it. We are not going to discuss it, but this is the way that you are supposed to attempt in your exam. There are various causes of disability like genetic causes, poverty, mental health problems, accidents, infectious diseases, disturbance in endocrine gland, malnutrition, poor approach to healthcare, nuclear accidents, toxic material, pesticides, insecticides, illnesses, lack of education, wars, medicines and vaccines, and dangerous working in environment. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.